title, USC dominates Louisville defense in a crushing 42-28 victory at the Holiday Bowl. San Diego, CA, in a captivating match at Petco Park, the University of Southern California, USC delivered an exceptional performance, leaving the University of Louisville's defense struggling to keep up. The final score of 42-28 in favor of USC not only marked their victory, but also brought an end to what had been a promising college football season for Louisville. The stage was set for an exhilarating showdown between the two teams. USC, known for their offensive prowess, came prepared to take full advantage of any weaknesses they could exploit in Louisville's defense. And that's exactly what they did. With a skillful blend of precision passes, strategic play calling, and relentless attacking, USC quarterback Kedon Slovis orchestrated an impressive offensive display. Slovis showcased his ability to read Louisville's defensive formations and exploited gaps, leading his team to numerous scoring opportunities. On the other side of the field, Louisville struggled to contain USC's formidable offense. Despite their valiant effort, the Cardinals failed to counter the Trojans' relentless assault. USC's running back, Vavi Malapi, proved to be a decisive factor in the game, displaying his speed and agility as he maneuvered past the Louisville defense. The University of Louisville had undoubtedly hoped for a different outcome. Only a few weeks ago, their football team had experienced a series of victories, creating a sense of excitement and anticipation among their fans. However, the Cardinals were unable to replicate that success against USC, marking a disappointing end to their season. The defeat will undoubtedly bring some reflection for Louisville's coaching staff and players. They will have to analyze the game, identify areas of improvement, and regroup before the start of the next season. Meanwhile, USC's victory at the Holiday Bowl will undoubtedly boost the team's morale and leave a lasting impact on their season. The Trojans demonstrated their ability to dominate their opponents and showcase the talent and potential they possess. As the dust settles on this memorable Holiday Bowl clash, fans will be left to ponder what might have been for the University of Louisville. Nevertheless, the stage is set for USC to bask in the glory of their well-deserved victory and look forward to what the future holds for their football program.